working out today, so I just wanted to share. It's so echo in here. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to bring in my sound. I have soundproof panels. I think I'm gonna bring them in here after we work out, because it's like woo, 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 right? Okay, I just want to quickly, because some of you are, wow. On video, it sounds today, so I just wanted to share. On video, that sounds pretty good. Okay, anyway, so I wanted to share that if you are having an off day, or if you're not feeling well, or if you get sick, now that we're going into the winter, and you're not going to be able to work out, just know that even though you're not able to work out, your progress is not lost, and you should still do your best to eat from the meal plan. Get in all your protein, because protein preserves your muscle. So you still want to make sure you get enough protein. You still want to try to avoid eating any processed food and still do your best. Something I always recommend is having bone broth in your pantry. Bone broth is like soup. It's not soup, it's broth, but it has protein in it. So if you feel like chicken noodle soup, bone broth is the next best thing, okay? Yesterday, I had a completely crazy day. For those of you who worked out with me live, you saw that. Just so you understand, this has been happening to me for a while now. Something that I'm trying to get my groove back. I'm trying to get comfortable in the new house. I'm trying to find my way. I'm trying to find my mind back. Karina's trying to get her groove back, okay? So my morning starts out, you guys always see me, I sleep in the shaper, I take my shaper off, I feel like awesome, I look really good, right? When I take my shaper off, I feel so good in my mind. Then I step on the scale, okay? Then I step on the scale, and the scale says 131 pounds. And then my head says, oh my God, I'm 131 pounds? How am I still 131 pounds? Why am I 131 pounds? I have been doing so well. I've been working out every single day. I've been eating clean. I've been eating healthy. Why is the scale saying 131 pounds? What am I doing? I just took my shaper off and I'm like, yeah, I feel really good about myself. Now the scale says 131 pounds. Then I go in my closet. I'm gonna start crying. I put my clothes on and I'm like, well, I look really good in my clothes, but why is the scale saying 131 pounds? Okay, well, I gotta go take the kids. I gotta bake breakfast. I gotta go. I do the kitchen. I make everybody breakfast. I make my kids pancakes. I make myself eggs. I make 3 different meals. I drive the kids to school. I come back. I'm like, okay, I gotta turn the cameras on. I gotta go. I get in front of the cameras and I'm like, okay, I look really cute. Let's start doing burpees. Why is my bra falling? 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 Is my bra small? Why are my pants falling? Are my clothes too big? Am I losing weight? But the scale said 131 pounds. But why is my bra falling? Why is my bra falling? I can't do this. Why is my bra? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, is my nipples gonna come out? Is my nipple gonna come out? Oh my God, can they do burpees? Can they 1, 2, 3, 4? Why is everything falling? Why? Ah! Oh my God! I can scream in here and nobody can hear me. That's what it feels like. Every single day. Every single day. But you know what? I'm still trying. I'm still trying, and I'm gonna keep trying, and I'm never gonna give up. And if you're having a bad day, you're having a bad day. I still ate my broccoli yesterday. I still had chicken. I went out to dinner last night with my husband for work, and I had 3 glasses of wine because I just really wanted to unwind. But I had salmon with a salad for dinner, and I had an artichoke as an appetizer, right? I still kept trying to be good, and I still kept going. So if you're having a bad day, have your freaking day. Don't create excuses. It It's just a day. Yesterday I was joking, telling somebody, oh, I think I'm getting my period. That was like 2 weeks ago, so no, okay? It's not Shark Week. It's just an excuse. Okay? So have your day. Keep trying. That's what this is about. It's just to keep trying. Okay? So I have a new workout. I printed my workout. Okay. Printed my workout. I'm gonna update. Oh my gosh. Instagram always sucks. It just always sucks. I'm gonna jump off here because it's just not staying. Anyway, so I have a new workout for all of us. I'm going to edit this because this is a gym workout. I'm gonna edit it a little bit to make it more home workout friendly. And then I'm going to email this to everybody with notes on how to follow it. This is Monday through Sunday, okay? So you also have something to do on the weekend if you want to. And that way we're all gonna be on the same plan. I can start lifting heavy. I'm gonna get all my crap in here. I really need to get rid of this echo. And then we're gonna be doing something new, all right? I'm gonna try and stay on here as long as possible, but I don't think it'll stay. It'll kick you off again. All right, any questions? Comments?